Oh, g'day from 80 Matey Adventures. We finally are home from our Tasmanian trip. We had a great time. The beast has been covered up over the period. I just thought I'd show you the Bremer River where I live. After all this rain has been happening, usually on a king tide, we get tides up about that high, but never flows like that. That's really flowing. All this water's coming down from the Lockyer River, or Lockyer Valley, not Lockyer River. But yeah, it's definitely up. As you can see over the river there, she's fairly high. That's my next door neighbour's dike. He's a Dutchman. He's been digging it out for the past 30 years by shovel. But anyway, we won't go there at the moment. But yeah, she's flowing. If we have a look over here, this is my property. She's a bit overgrown down the bottom at the moment, but definitely got some flow to it, eh? If it really floods and Bundamba goes under in Ipswich, that little section over there where the tarp is, that's raised. And what happens is the water all goes through this area down the bottom here, all the way through, and it floods. Now, there's a little bit of standing water down the bottom. That's just from the rain, but she's definitely flooding up river. I'd say Rosewood, maybe Laidley area, but as you can see by the flow, it's really barreling down the river, eh? Yeah, this is my backyard. The poinciana tree I planted about 12-15 years ago. Brought it up by seed, but in 2011 that river there is at 13 meters below the ground level of my house, and in 2011 it went up to the gutters of my house. And I took the tinny around the house and I cleaned the gutters out. Now, would you believe that the water, excuse the mess on the deck, came up to that gutter in 2011? I just slowly panned down. I'm telling you, that's 13 meters under my house, another 3 meters to floor level, and another 3.2 to the gutters. So the poor old chooks we let out, that's the chook pen, they all went for a run, but then they ended up going back. Silly buggers. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you a short video of the river and how it's flowing. This is the Bremer River, just outside Ipswich, and she's having a good flow, eh? That's my little fishing area down there where that blue drum is. That's my bin. But yeah, she's flowing all right. Anyway, there's a short video. 80 Matey out.